Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tea Fashion. How are you friend? I hope all of you fine and happy. May God fulfill your life with happiness. And dear friends, today my video topic is about more stylish, gorgeous and graceful haircut ideas with good and short bob haircutting and hairstyling ideas that make you look awesome. I suggest you to watch this video till the end. You will find all kind of haircutting ideas in our videos. I hope you enjoy my best video, this haircut. Please like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tea Fashion. So friends, if you want to more ideas about hair cutting, then watch my other videos. More ideas about haircut be like short bob, pea curly, pig, pop jar, length and medium haircut. Will try my best to show you all the new cutting ideas in our video. If you want to get more ideas, so please subscribe my YouTube channel Tea Fashion. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the latest video about haircut and hairstyles. If you like this video, so please hit the like button. If you like this video, so please share with your friends, family members and other social media account. Don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Subscribing for your comment. I suggest to watch this video till the end. You will find all kind of haircutting ideas in our video. Hope you enjoy with my video with haircut. Please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel Tea Fashion. Would like to see next in the comments below. The ultimate destination of hairstyle inspiration, empowering woman one hairstyle at a time. Our channel is all about hair. If you're looking for the latest hairstyle trend, then this is the place to be. For short hairstyles to messy buns and everything in between, we have called the cover. So sit back, relax and let us help you find the perfect do to your next big in our video.